Let us see how to add a data source in Voiceflow when you build a new chatbot. Go to voiceflow.com and then first sign in. We are creating a new chatbot. Click on this new assistant. Let us call this chatbot as basic customer support. Type in the name. For modality, select chat. For language, pick English. Click continue. Click create assistant. This is the empty canvas where you will be building the new chatbot, and currently we are in the designer menu option. Click on the content option on the left side, then click on this knowledge option. Currently the knowledge database is empty. You can click here on the top right corner, add data source, or we can click here in the mid area, add data source. And if you want to know more about the knowledge database, you can click on this learn more button. Once you click on add data source, you can see several options. First one is plain text. You can copy and paste any text manually into your knowledge database. Then we have upload file. The supported formats currently are PDF, TXT, docx, and also we can note that the maximum file size is 10 MB. We can also import web page content from public URL directly into our knowledge database. We can also import our website's sitemap URL to automatically fetch and organize the URLs of our website pages into the knowledge database. And there is also an integration option with which we can connect and import data from external platforms like Zendesk. Now let us click this upload file button. We can drop the file or we can click on this browse option. This is my knowledge base Word document. Click on this one and then click on this import. You can see the document has been added to our knowledge database. We can also test our database by clicking on this preview button. We can enter question here that you know the answer exists in your document and verify you are getting the correct answer. Let me type in here, where is my order? Then hit the send button. Here is the correct response from the document file. Bye till next video.